It is still there. Bitterness can there doesn't produce anything reasonably at all. Therefore, first, you need to be ready to philosophize some better ways for you to go forth intrinsically. Human life is transient. In these transients, you are guided to philosophize the best way to live well as a being who received reason supernaturally. The point is how you spend your time every day. You need to be philosophical enough to go forth in your direction. You need to knock at the door very often. There is a corridor in your direction. If you understand, there is a corridor in your direction. You find some doors quite often. Now you live according to good. If and when you live according to good, you have an opportunity to find a door for you to knock at. In your corridor, when you find a door, do not hesitate to knock at. What is happening to yourself after knocking at the door? You can enter the loom. In the loom, more than you simply imagine, there are so many pieces you can assimilate. I'd like you to assimilate necessary pieces of intellectuality. You shall be more intellectual in the loom. It's a lot. Is it all? It is not all. Once you get out from the loom, after getting out of the loom, then you go forth in the corridor. As long as you continue taking action according to good, you find the other doors. Then now you find the second door for you to knock at. Hesitation doesn't give you anything at all. I'd like you to courageously knock at the door of the second room. Then you are there now. You find a lot of pieces there. Once again, you have an opportunity to be more intellectual. I'd like you to assimilate those things. After experiencing so, you get out from the loom. Then you continue going forth in the corridor. No explanation is necessary to you. You find the third door for you to knock at. Then I'd like you to enter there. There are so many things you can assimilate there. Assimilation upon assimilation. You should be more philosophical. This is a way for you to have fruitful life. To be more fruitful, to philosophize is necessary. This kind of philosophization graces what you have in your individuality. Time given to you is the one for you to use by this way. You are not the white animal. You are a being who received reason supernaturally. This is the way for you to live well. This is the way for you to make sense through philosophizing necessary things. Live well and live philosophically. The lecture should be finished now.